Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are going to make a very tasty vegan cheese sauce. This recipe is so easy to make, and it tastes amazing on pizza, pasta, sandwiches, burritos, lots of things. And so we're going to go ahead and make it. The ingredients in this recipe are raw cashews, water, canned pimentos, kosher salt, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and garlic powder. So the first thing that we need to do is put all the ingredients into a blender. So we need 1 cup of raw cashews, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of canned pimentos, or they come in a jar too, so we got 1/4 cup, 1 to 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and I'll just do 1 heaping. So we have 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, and I already measured these, and 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to put a heaping half. So we'll go ahead and blend these ingredients till the mixture is smooth. So I always start on low and then increase the speed. I'm going to check to see how smooth it is. It's good, it looks smooth, no lumps. So we're going to go ahead and pour it into a saucepan next. Okay, we're going to pour our mixture into the saucepan. We're going to increase the heat and bring it to a boil. I'm going to start on medium-high. One thing is you need to keep stirring this because so it won't burn. It might be easier to use a spatula so you can scrape the bottom. See how it gets thick on the bottom? It hasn't come to a boil yet, but you can see it's already getting thick. Okay, it's boiling, so I'm going to turn down the heat to a low. You're going to continue to stir until it's as thick as you want it. If you don't keep stirring it, it will kind of burn and thicken on the bottom, and then it will be really lumpy. Okay, I think this is thick enough. You can make it thicker if you want, but this is good. It will also thicken in the fridge if you're not going to use it all. Once it's as thick as you like, go ahead and turn off the heat. And if you have an electric burner, make sure and take it off the burner so it doesn't keep cooking. So let's go try it. So you can go ahead and serve it from the pan, or go ahead and pour it into a bowl. It smells amazing, and I've tried it before. I know it tastes amazing. You can use this dip on veggies, chips, burritos, potatoes. This is one thing we use it on a lot, is you can top it with baked potatoes. You could put chili, cheese, and you could put it on broccoli. Get your kids to eat more broccoli and chips. So try it, let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Really good. Oh, so good, I love it. I'm gonna love it.